5 minutes to
5 minutes.
kickoff, guys. 8:28. We want to tighten the stop up before the open, okay? Everybody short still?
Yes, sir.
Just keep that trailing stop. You can't lose. All right, yeah, before the open. And remember, yeah, newer traders, couple of months with us, please just give the market about 6 minutes. If you're in this short already, no matter who you are, just lower your stop. Let the market stop you out. Okay, Mike, good job. My stop right here is 8:28 for the rest of you. Everybody see it? I posted it right up here. Is there anybody still short?
It's so funny how my stops are always within 1 tick of yours.
Is there anyone still short?
Anybody else still short other than me and Coach?
That's a yes or no question. No. Okay, thank you.
Come on, guys.
All right.
One day, Coach, they'll start following your stops.
8:25. You really want to keep it tight before the open, guys. The trend is down. We are short, but as you've seen, it could rally right up to that daily pivot, right? We are flat. 3 for 3 this morning. Everybody's green, right? Who's starting, correct? Everybody green?
3 for 3.
All right. Let's keep it that way. Not like yesterday. Some of you started going off the range or reservation, whatever they say.
Yeah. We had 10 before 11 o'clock, 10 winning trades, a couple runners. People were still red. Don't know how that happened.
Today's a new day. Yep.
Today is a new day. You will listen to the coaches. You will take the trade calls that you've learned. You'll take the trade setups that you've learned.
What you want to do is get into a couple of M's early, Denise. Remember this. Here, Denise, so here's your trigger mechanism. Wait until this, after the open, wait until the stochastic on this chart becomes overbought. First M, take it. When that becomes overbought, right after the open, first M, take it.
Tim. Don't we have a coaching today, Tim, or tomorrow sometime? We'll nudge you back in the right direction. We had you there for a couple days, Tim. We'll get you there. That's all right. Just schedule one for tomorrow.
Grandma seems to be looking to get clients short. So that means they could try to push it up a little to give them a good area to sell. So typically, if that's the case, they push it up, get the big boys short, and then tank it. You've got 30 seconds to kick off.
Ooh, I'm so excited. I can hardly wait.
We are open for business. Yep. Big traders can implement their plan, or anybody's been with us more than 2 or 3 months, implement that plan. Exactly what we're talking about.
Again, guys, those of you newer to us, no trading first 6 minutes in this group unless you've gotten permission.
Aren't you glad you waited? It's been open 1 minute already. Trading for 1 minute. 1 minute already.
Subs to the pivot here.
When this starts dropping, your target's going to be 31,832. I'll mark it down. Plenty of time to trade. Take your time.
Patient.
Pushing it toward the pivot. Bigger traders can trade sooner. Smaller traders wait until 6 minutes have
So I was going to
elapsed.
say, I just took a short off the pivot, coach. More experienced people should have been looking for that quick, easy money. Short off the pivot, right, coach? More experienced guys, newer guys, sit and wait.
And if it breaks 832, your next target after 832 would be 809. Again, this is for the more experienced traders in our group.
Must
See how
have
grandma's working? Always does this.
Absolutely must have permission from a coach to trade within the first 6 minutes, guys.
Like we say, guys, be prepared to be amazed, right?
I love it.
Hmm, 4 minutes trading so far.
Guys, the best thing you can do is be patient, wait, the trade will come. patient. Let's be careful around this pivot, guys. Look for stochastics, as Coach said. Look for that first M. Five minutes in.
Aren't you glad you guys waited 6 minutes? 31,935 is the pivot. Do you have the numbers, Randall? We post them. Six minutes are up.
Anybody short the hook on the stochastics there?
Yeah, you could see it right on the chart. It's right here. It's always posted.
Good job, guys. Good job, guys. You should be taking profits. Take some profits. Lower your stops.
The market tried to push up toward that pivot, and you could see it sort of faltering.
Just tested that area a couple times here in the.
Remember, tomorrow, guys, is Fed Day.
Good
2
job,
p.m.
Tim.
Fed announcement.
Like to see you in that trade still, Tim. Though, if you got in close to that hook on the stochastics, you should have been somewhere around 896-ish. It would be your entry, Tim. Should have still been in that. You guys still short? Lower your stop. Good job, fish. I got 2 left. Stopped at 887. Got to be flat. 886. Is that a good stop, Coach? Can you guys hear me? Job, fish. Job, guys. $883. Got to be flat.
Right now, you have support 861.
Good job, guys. See, trades will come. You can wait 6 minutes and get a perfectly good trade. $46 is nothing to be upset about, right, guys? Don't be upset. You pick profits, Tim. That's what matters.
Yeah, you're right about that, Mr. New York City. You know what you might try now, Fish, for your last trade to see if you can get green. I'm not get green, but be done for the day. Put an 860 sell stop. Short. And your target would be 832. And then quickly move your stop. Should be able to get 10, 20 points out of that one.
Guys, I did take this little hook on stochastics again. Got a quick profit here. Okay, lock in your profits, Tim. This is that plus 12 and take 2 trade on the second one. There you go. Profits again. There you go. Either way you slice it, now you got 20 ticks. There you go.
Good job, Tim. Slow it down now. Slow it down.
Yep. Just about to say,
Slow it down.
You don't want to get chopped up here around the pivot, guys.
Wait for Mr. Market to make its move, and then you follow. Okay?
Capiche? Since we're
wait for Mr. Market to make its move, and then follow. Great job, Fish.
Fantastic. Good job, Fish. Done for the day. Sit back, listen, relax, practice trade on sim, whatever you want to do. Anybody else follow Coach's call? Good job, guys. Way to go. Most of you guys should be done for the day. Chad, you guys should be getting close to being done for the day.
You know where my target is next, right? Take half off here. What do you think my next target is, guys?
Well, I think I know.
Order filled.
Hey.
832, right?
Here we go.
How many held out for 832? All right. Good job.
Still got one left, Coach. Got to be flat.
Oh, I did it with grandma, guys. 31,900 short. we said, big boys can short it into the rally. Others can go short. Where's your sell stop? Your sell stop should have been where? 360, right? Where did I give the order for?
860, you mean, Coach?
See, all you guys went flat, and you're not going. Where's my last target? Where's the last target? Who remembers? Lower your stop. Where's the last target on this trade? 809. Thank you, Luis.
Luis,
And Monica.
listens.
Yeah.
Monica.
Just keep lowering your stop. You want to make a big home run, guys. Big home run. You want to be amazed. You want to be amazed.
Well, this is the prepare to be amazed part, Coach, right? Had you follow Coach?
I'm trading fine. It's 809. It's a Muhammad Ali trade. You can make poetry. Just lower your stop, guys. The other one that I mentioned to Fish, you were done before you hit that, right? 860 sell stop.
I am flat.
You should have held on for 832. You'd have made another 30 points.
It's all right. You're done for the day,
Good
then, right,
job.
Fish? If you're done for the day, you hit your target, call it a day. It's the biggest problem most people have. They get done for the day, they say, and they keep on trading, giving back their profits.
You don't need many more trades like that, right, to be done for the day. Great job, guys.
I mean, yeah, you think about it. 20 points, 40 points. That's a day. That's 80 points right there, guys.
I only have 2 left, guys. 2 left. Final target, 809. As long as it doesn't go above 900, I can't lose on this trade. Anybody still short?
I am still short with you, Coach.
Final target is 31,809.
And there you go, Mr. New York City.
Okay, Mr. New York City.
He does it right. He if he's not ready to
Make
trade,
you
he
money
doesn't
too.
jump in.
Here we go, Mr. New
Boom.
York. Last target, 809. And I'm feeling fine.
809, I'm feeling fine. I love it.
Oh, yeah. Flat. Ding, 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 ding. Done for the day. $1,500 trade, guys.
There we go.
Yep. Now, what was Grandma trying to do? Do you remember? Push it up, get their big boys short, and drive it down. Remember? Good job, Brian J. Kick some butt. Yeah, I'm done with the day. That was a $1,500 winner.
I'm with you, Brian J.
Never got in. All right, then you're done for the morning. Anything from here on out, Mr. New York, is a revenge trade. Grandma's doing some buying at 809. That's the only reason I got that as a target, Brian.
Brian, did we talk about Grandma yesterday? We should if we haven't.
Yes, one pivot. Keep a tight stop then if you're going to stay in this. 840 should be your stop, Brian. You don't want it above 840. Here, I'll draw it in for you.
I figured you did, Brian. All right.
Everybody else should be flat. Where's your target? 773. Nice target. 773. There's your target, and there's your stop. I'm flat right now, guys. Good job, Bobby.
Sent you a private message, Brian. Now you got the gist. Now you know exactly what it is.
A very, very profitable morning. As usual. As usual, I might add.
As usual. I love
You
it.
should be
Great
flat.
job, Coach.
Anybody who's looking for that 773, get out wherever you are. You could go long. Grandma's buying. Grandma's buying at 809. Are you out, Brian? Don't give back your profits.
33. Good long trade, Tim.
You guys pay us for the targets, and that's what we deliver. If you want to wait for a little more rally to get short again, Brian, you can do that, but I've had enough. And then you could try for your 73 target. Just don't turn this trade red. Well, you will hear from us. Everybody else is flat, right?
Good job, Sean.
Excellent. Yeah, Mr. New York, don't try it because, I know, everybody wants to do, you see everybody else making money, but if your system is screwed up, your computer, it's not worth it. We called a massive successful trade. Just put it this way, you'll get it tomorrow.
Perfect.
My original short was 31,900. And then what I did was put a sell stop at 31,860 to add to the short.
Tim, now your stop on that long trade should be 8.
Does everybody see the setup though? Did everybody catch the setup? Called a FOBO. So called a FOBO.
$8.55, lock in the gains.
I'm not sure I know what you're saying, Tim. Coach Brian's stop is 838. What do you mean?
This is that situation in the sideways market, Tim. You don't want to use that. Get it up under 8.55.
We're flat right now.
Tim took a long, Coach, off of the took a grandma long.
Tim, we're flat. Can you hear me?
Yes.
No stops, no nothing. You're done. Oh, he took a W counter trend. All right.
Yeah. That's what I was trying to say.
Connection lost.
Huh.
Flat means you're out of the trade. You're done. Finito.
Good trade. Good job, Brian J.
Yep, finito. First of all, here's the deal, guys, right? What did we know before the market opened? We knew what? The institutions were going to push the market up toward the pivot, get some of their sell orders in, like something like 2,000 contracts, and then knock it down, right? Everybody recall that? Push up to go short, right? So once we saw, now I didn't know that. I knew they were selling 897 to 935. We knew that. I knew that anyway. 897 to 935 were the sell orders to short. So we can't just jump in there because we're not institutions. We don't have the kind of firepower that they have, right? So what do? We wait for a new high here. This is the way you can do it. We'll go over that more in class tomorrow. It makes a new high here. What does this do? Stops out all the shorts, right? They're all buying, and the big boys are selling into them right there. And then the market can't make a new high here. So the first sell signal right under there is your short. It's the way I like to play that. Or if you need more confirmation, you see the low. This is what I was telling Fish, remember? How many took the sell stop here at 860? All right. Obviously, this one's a better short. You get it, and you get it closer to where grandma was selling. But either way, wait for confirmation. You're in. Good trade, home run. Think about it. 860 down to 805. Not a bad trade. Everybody should be green, right? Is there anybody red? Yesterday, people were going against our suggestions. Is there anybody red?
Gotta have my mic on to say that.
Is everyone green?
Yeah, everybody's green,
All right.
right?
Just answer so I know I'm being broadcast. That's the only reason why. You can just put G or R. And remember,
C.
we have a new policy.
Good
If
job,
you're
guys.
confused, you are allowed one phone call to your second grade teacher. Yep. Call up and say, listen, the pivot is 935. It's now at 835. I'm not sure which is the lower price. Please help. That's all. And your teacher will help you.
I bet you
Give
will.
the teacher 10% of your profits.
There we go.
Now, my teachers probably are senile by now, like me, or dead, not like me. Yeah, just go into the pronouns. I'd have to be given detention or something like that. You know, I was never given detention in my life. I was a good kid. I was the teacher's pet. I'll tell you, I was a teacher's pet. They even gave me a litter box. I never took a bathroom break in my life. And I mean, I did, but not like in school, during class. And I never did a mass shooting. These are things that I've yet to experience, Never came into the school with a machine gun. If I did, I'll tell you, the nuns would have kicked my butt. Forget. I had one teacher, she said, you only brought one machine gun? You only brought one machine gun? Get out of here. Yeah, this is a bad detention in this place. You don't want to be in detention here.
Spoken from
Yeah.
experience.
Welcome to Liberty.
The only thing I regret is when I was on that beach. Imagine if somebody YouTubed it in 1972 when I was on that beach in Brazil. That would have been fun, right? You see a guy pulling a gun, and you guys, really? You got a gun? I'm going to stick that up. Chasing a guy after he shoots you, that had to be pretty funny. That would have definitely been viral. Call it the Warthog incident.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club. If you're enjoying the stream today, you can join us live in the room by just visiting libertytradingclub.com and signing up for your free 3-day trial. If you have any questions, you can always call 727-222-0426 and just visit libertytradingclub.com.
Really upset. And Jim is running with the warthog, trying to climb the tree because warthogs can't climb the trees. And she slashed Jim's leg. I'm here in the Barca Lounger in the Winnebago off of the jungle. And the nice young native ladies are serving me this nice tropical drink. And Jim is out sweating and running from the warthogs. And that's why he has Mutual of Omaha. Because, if something like this happens, I'm the beneficiary. It was a fun show. Yeah. Well, Jim had the insurance, and Marlon was the beneficiary, so he was sending him, there's a crocodile, go wrestle him.
During your free trial with us, you will have full access to our live trade calling sessions, as well as class and our trading videos, so you can start learning our trading methodology. And after your free 3-day trial with us, just visit libertytradingclub.com to sign up, and the cost for the membership of the trade room is just $99 a month.
He was afraid of day trading with an alligator. All right, we're going to wait for another sell signal as we climb toward the upper Bollinger here. There should be resistance where, guys? Yeah, it's from eating all the grubs and everything. Heart disease will get you. You know what's another amazing show? Remember Bear Grylls? The guy they drop him out of a airplane in some jungle and tell him to get home, find his way home. You know how he got into that? Did everybody? It's a very interesting story. His parents used to do that. They would drive like about 30 miles when he was 3 years old and just throw him out of the car and say, find your way home.
Coach, got a couple quick questions.
That'll teach you for wetting your bed.
If you could review the trades we took this morning when you get a chance. Do you mind doing that, Coach?
No, but it's amazing. I really am impressed with that show when they show like Bear Grylls like trying to get to the river. Always follow the river. The river will get you somewhere. Well, unless it's the Hudson River. But what he did, then there's only one way to get down. It's a slippery vine. There's a slippery vine, and I have to go 300 feet down. If I lose my grip, I'll die. And you see him going down. But, it was always cool. You always saw this, real close-up shot of him and his hands gripping the slippery vine. And I'm like, who's taking the picture of him? That cameraman has got to be on another slippery vine with one hand and the other hand holding a Porto camera. So that guy is really, really tough. The only thing tougher is the cameraman taking my picture. All right, guys, we're going to look for an M trade after we sort of top out here between this 865 and 913. All right. Good job, Bill. Yeah, drone, but he's not allowed drones. That's too non-nature. Okay, guys, how about maybe you want to try to short it in this area as the stochastics hook down. Here's where I think we'll get resistance. If it gets back down into or below 872, it looks like it could be a short. We'll just sort of wait. Everybody's green, right?
Yes, sir. You guys are green. We had a ton of people that said they were green.
All right, let's stay that way.
Keep it, guys. Keep your green.
Thank you for joining us this morning for our live stream of our trade calling sessions in our trade room. If you're interested in joining the trade room for a free 3-day trial, just visit libertytradingclub.com and you will have full access to our trade room for live trade calling sessions, our class and post-class review, even our Ready Set Trade at 7 a.m. Eastern in the morning. And whenever you have a chance, sign up. And after the free trial, it's just $99 a month. If you have any questions, just visit libertytradingclub.com.